America is collapsing right before our eyes. I'm taking the kids to my home city of Philadelphia to walk through and see the Liberty Bell and go to Independence Hall. And I'm just so ashamed of how we've gotten to this point. The US Treasury has to step in to micromanage the sovereign bond curve. That's a clear signal to distress to the financial markets. Just so you understand, for decades, Wall Street has operated under this 5-5 rule. You probably know it if you're savvy financially. China grows at over 5%. 30-year bonds are always bought up by the Chinese Communist Party under 5%. Well, today China is growing at less than 5%, and yields are above 5%. So this is a massive blow to the global financial system from both China and America. It's unbelievable, actually. So the free market can no longer absorb this. So how are we going to absorb all of this debt? Higher interest rates, of course. So that's the first real story. The problem isn't simply that America owes $40 trillion. The problem is that the cost of carrying that debt is rising, and Washington continues to borrow nearly $2 trillion more every year. Now look at what happened immediately after the Treasury announced these expanded buybacks. The dollar weakened. Gold surged above $4,600 an ounce. Silver surged again this week, back towards $70. And you looked at all the gold mining stocks. Boom. Gold climbed more than 5% during the week, while the dollar index fell back towards 3 months lows. Literally the moment Bessent opened his mouth this week, gold shot straight up. Markets are beginning to ask a dangerous question. If the United States must continually intervene to prevent its borrowing costs from spiraling higher, what exactly is the dollar still backed by? Like the US military? Debt? Like what is the US dollar even backed by? Confidence.